10,000 tick trap. Pandas. 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 I got broads and Atlantis and dope lean and a Fanta. Pandas, welcome to the stream. I'm glad that you guys are here. Welcome everybody. Thanks for joining. Turtle Toes, welcome. Day trading, welcome. Luis, welcome guys. Good morning everybody. Hugh, Sky, Epson. Thanks for joining early, Pandas. I do appreciate it. Luis, thanks for becoming a super panda. Hope you enjoy your two-legged pullback badges and forms over time. Enjoy the pre-market show. Enjoy your panda emoticons and also enjoy access to the two-legged pullback Discord where we continue our off-stream trading after the stream. Good morning, pandas. Lawrence, good morning. Kid Poker, good morning. GC Burke, good morning. Matthew Dog, good morning. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everybody. Hope everyone's having an amazing time here. We're about to trigger Big Mama right off the bat here, pandas, and this is looking super sus. It's a sus Big Mama, but pandas, hey, you are at the birthplace of Big Mama, and we are about to trigger it. This is probably the most sus situation you can have, having a channel upwards like this, and by the time it touches it, it'll be so overextended past the channel that there might be not enough momentum to really push it through. And also the 20 EMA is really far away, and so it has a tendency to come back down to the 20 EMA. What can I say? So this Big Mama, most likely, if anything, is gonna be a struggle. It's gonna be a struggle. So you gotta understand, it's a risk. Sometimes Big Mamas are risky, but you gotta just take it. You gotta just take it, close your eyes, and believe. And just believe. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Welcome. We're about to trigger Big Mama here. I would love if we consolidate a little bit here, come back to the 20 EMA, and then pushes up to 20 EMA. I mean, I would love that. That would make this so much more, in a sense, I feel so much more confident in this setup here. But, Pandas, we're going to take it anyways, because you're in the birthplace of Big Mama. And we take every Big Mama regardless of how we feel about it. Just take it, Pandas. Just take it. If you get hit, you get hit. They work itself out over time. SW Blaze, good morning. Welcome, everybody. Daily chart. Strong bull bar ending on its high. Always in long still. But maybe hitting the top of this channel. So we could be losing some steam here. We could reverse strongly back to the bottom channel. That could always happen. Market's about to open in 10 minutes. We did have news at 8:30 technically, but it didn't do anything, and I didn't think it would do anything. While we wait for this Big Mama to trigger, go over my off-stream trades. Legitimately had a super strong bull trend day yesterday, and I took Big Mama. I took my stop out, but my runner out. But this could have been an amazing runner if it just didn't do this little silliness over here. But it is what it is. And I took a really dumb trade at the end of the day, and I got hit with like a 5-point hit. And then I took a long here beneath the 20. I made another dumb trade, trying to make up for some loss here. And I got stopped out here. So, Pandas, yes, it's true. Yours truly does make some mistakes sometimes still. And I admit it, these are dumb trades. I should not have taken them. It is what it is. My FOMO took over me. And, yeah, hey. Even Pandas have FOMO. You got to really fight it. And you gotta remove... You know what? I did that on purpose. You know why? Because yesterday I didn't properly celebrate us getting to the point where we can withdraw from this 300K account. I didn't properly celebrate. So that's why I purposely lost some money yesterday, and you know, we're gonna do it again. You know, let's celebrate it. Let's celebrate it properly, guys. Taroto says, you took the fail second short? Yes, I did. Oh, yeah, so off-stream trade, I also took this trade. This was yesterday's. Today, I took this fail second entry short here. Right, we got to break a trend to new low. Break a trend new low. Bounce at the bottom of the trading range on the trading range indicator. Come back to the top of the trading range on the trading range indicator. And fail second entry short. A, B, C. Fail second entry short. Ah, sus. I want a little pullback here. I want a little pullback here before the big mama triggers. That'll be nice. I would like it to consolidate just a little bit here. Give me a nice two-leggy. You know, give me a nice little two-legged pullback off the 20 MA. Boom. That's what I want to see. Boom, boom, boom. That's all I want to see, pandas. That's all I want to see. Ooh, looks like it's gonna trigger though, with an overextension. Ah, I hate this. But you gotta trust the big mama. In big mama, I trust, but this is sus. What can I say? It is sus. Susatropolis. Oh my goodness. This is so sus. Oh man, this hurts. It hurts, but you gotta take it. You just gotta trust. You gotta trust. Toronto, I was like, I know. I was so like dead by the end of the stream because the price action was so bad for like an hour straight. I just couldn't wait till it was over. And I just had to end it. But because of that, I made a dumb mistake and I didn't properly celebrate. So hey, it's okay, pandas. We'll have another chance to celebrate right now because when this big mama triggers, it will win. I'm calling it into existence right now. It will win. I'm naming it and claiming it. This big mama will win, and we will get back up to a withdrawal amount on this 300K count. We'll do it properly on stream, and we will celebrate all together, pandas. All together. Today is Whiskey Wednesday. Let's get that whiskey challenge going. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. I am certain if everyone participates and does their job, we can hit 300 likes today. 300 likes today. I am certain we can hit 300 likes. If everyone does their part, we can hit 300 likes. I am certain of that. So make sure you guys scalp that like button, do your part. Letitia says there's high resistance near Big Mama from April 2022. You know, that's the thing. It's like, even if there's resistance, it's a daily chart setup. So it's like, even though there's a resistance there, it's just like the momentum from the daily chart just carries us through. And it's like how I mentioned, it's like an oil rig trying to reverse on a dime. Even though there's resistance there, it's just too much momentum for it to stop all at one single spot. And typically that overshoot, you can get at least 2.5 points. I hope that makes sense. Jessica Crow. Hey, pandas, we are currently witnessing the entire 2% population here on the stream of female pandas. Can we just celebrate that for a second? All of this, the whole entire 2% population of female pandas are right now on this stream. Goodness, that is worth to celebrate. That in itself. Oh, pandas, this is not looking good. I do not like that setup. Not one bit. At least the 20 MA caught up a little bit, so we got some potential support here if it does pull back. Whoo, this is sus. For certain sus. The reason why I'm calling it sus is because we have a channel here, and it's breaking out the top side of a ascending channel. That means it's typically overextended, and now we're going to hit a potential big old resistance here. So we're overextended, hitting resistance, and pandas, you know what I'm saying? I mean, can you get more sus than that? Can you get any more sus than that? I don't know. Good news is that the 20 EMA is within 5 points of Big Mama, so it can act as support for us. Ooh, Big Mama about to trigger. Pandas, you guys watching this? Big Mama about to trigger. Whoo. Whoo. Ooh. Ooh, almost triggered. Almost triggered. Ooh, we're in Big Mama. All right, pandas. It is what it is from now on. Like, fate is sealed. There's nothing we can do. Just let it ride. And sometimes it's better just to close your eyes and just let it ride. Just close your eyes and enjoy the ride. Sometimes it's better just to do that. I honestly get stressed. So stressed watching Big Mama sometimes. We're going to see if we can get a run here as well. That's never a good sign. The moment Big Mama triggers, it doesn't even go past your entry. Instead, just reverses. Oh, man. I mean, what can I say? You have been warned. You have been warned. It was sus. It was sus from the beginning. So you have been warned. What can I say, pandas? Good news is that 20 EMA can act as support for us. Okay, that's a good sign, right? A nice strong bull bar. Okay, that's also a good sign. Pushing above the original entry. I'm already nervous, pandas, and we just got started. We just got started. It's not a good way to start, pandas. Once you're in, you're in. You're locked in. You just let it ride. Just let it ride. I'm hoping at the market open, this kind of gives it a boost upwards. That's what I'm hoping for. And we got about 1 more minute to market open. 1 minute, 15 seconds. So, hey, pandas. I mean, it could violently reverse and try to fill the gap on the 5 minute because we're opened up here. It can violently reverse to fill the 5 minute gap. That could easily happen as well. And this could just be the ultimate sus, super sus Big Mama. Most sussiest Big Mama ever. Ah, pandas. It's struggling. It's struggling. What can I say? It went through 1,000 ticks and only went to a half a point range in 1,000 ticks. Woo! Oh, pandas, this is not looking good. It's not looking good. I don't want to see red. If anything, I only want to see green. Only want to see green here. 30 seconds to market open. Ooh, don't want to see that reversal. That is not good. Got a reversal here. Okay. Push up. Push up. I need those always in long daily chart traders just to blast this off. Always in long daily chart. 10 more seconds, pandas. Are you guys ready for launch? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Give me Big Mama. Give it to me. Let's go, baby. Easy peasy. Easiest trade of my life. Easy peasy. So easy. Oh, so easy. Pandas, if you doubted Big Mama, get off the channel. Get out right now. Unsubscribe. Get out of here if you doubted Big Mama. Get out of here. We don't want you here. Don't doubt Big Mama. Just get out. We don't want you. Your kind is not needed. Your kind is not wanted here. If you doubt Big Mama. Let's go, baby. Hey, and we got a runner, pandas. We got a potential big runner. We are currently in withdrawal range. But I think I need the runner to work out in order for me to keep the withdrawal range. Pandas, pandas, pandas. We need those always in long daily chart traders just to keep buying this up. We never want this to reverse. We want this to squeeze all pandas. Pandas. Super Saiyan. Right now it's set to 12.5 points. We're looking for 12.5 pandas. What is going on, pandas? Pandas, what is this? Pandas. We got a juicer here. We got a juicer. Oh, we got a juicer. Give me another push up, pandas. Oh, we got a juicer here. I think we got a juicer. Super Saiyan! And this is why sometimes it's good to have runners on the Big Mamas because of potential big move like this. Whoo! Whoo! Pandas! What is going on, pandas? I I don't have any pivots to use as reversals. I have no pivots. This is so strong. I have no pivots to use. Oh man, oh boy, what's going on, pandas? Pandas. Pandas. What? What is this? Pandas, pandas. It's pushing. It's still pushing. Pandas. I mean, you gotta love big mamas. Big mamas, you gotta love them. Absolute risk-free trade currently. I want that 12.5 points. I know it sounds like a really random number, 12.5, but there's a reason why I want 12.5 points, pandas. There's a reason why. And it's for the long term. It's for the long-term plan. And I think we might hit it today, pandas. I think we might hit it today. Pandas! I think we might hit it today. I mean, this is just no looking back right now. Don't look back. Just don't look back. Don't look back. Just let it keep doing its thing. Do not fret. Even this comes back down, we got the 20 EMA to protect us. Nothing to worry about here. If anything, I want to add more to this. I almost want to add more to this right now. Almost, but not really, because I'm too scared. If I was Al Brooks, maybe. You know, Al Brooks, he has the most diamondest cojones of all time. Wow, pandas. But look at this move right now. Look at this move. Hopefully it doesn't just reverse A-tops and just gets me. I hope it doesn't do that, pandas. Give me another push-up. Get me up there. I mean, the 5-minute candle looks super bullish right now. 10,000 tick chart also looks super bullish. Maybe second entry long here. A, B, C, second entry long. 20 EMA still protecting us, so I have no worries. I have no worries about this for myself. We got a second entry long here potentially. I really don't think I have any worries here to get stopped out. I mean, it feels good, pandas. It feels really good. I mean, we got a second entry long here. Hopefully we can capitalize on it. Hopefully it can actually continue this move up. I hope, pandas. I hope this doesn't take me out. We have such promise here. Oof, okay. I mean, okay. Give me a second entry long. I'm not gonna take it. I'm gonna I'm kind of already in this trade, and it's not the best second entry long. Really, it's not. Oh man, pandas, what's going on? Okay, we got the 20 EMA. Ooh, good signal bar off the 20 EMA. But overshoot, that's what I don't like. I don't like this overshoot. But nice bounce off the 20 EMA. Signal bar is not that large. Okay, second entry long triggers. I'm just gonna ride this with the trade I'm currently in. I'm not gonna take it a separate one, just because I don't like the overshoot here. I don't like that overshoot, and this could just reverse and just break my neck, which I would hate because I love my 12.5 to hit. I'll go over why I have a 12.5 runner. Pandas! Pandas! Second entry long! Launch! Second entry long! Launch initiated! Pandas! I could raise my stop up here. And therefore, we already made some bamboo, right, from the original Big Mama. So we can already protect some bamboo here. And we're using a price action stop as our pivot, which is good for us. We want to use price action as much as possible. So in a sense, if you're saying it goes beneath here, you're saying this uptrend's over. 10 points We're almost at the 10-point mark. Typically, you get some reversals off the 10-point mark. I don't think we're going to get it. I mean, I almost want to hold this even longer, but I want the 12.5 points. Okay, so right here at at 0.75, right here is at 10 points. So we may hit some resistance here. That happens typically. That happens often. So a lot of people will take their profits at 10 points, right? The weaker bulls will take their profit at 10 points. In fact, they're probably taking their profits right now. They might have taken profit right there on that reversal. So we could get some people coming out of their trades right now. Well, pandas, you know me. You know the substance of my cojones, what they're made out of. They're made out of pure diamonds. And we are riding this till we hit our target, pandas. Okay, we hit the 10 points. We hit the 10-point mark. So people made 10 points here who took Big Mama. But this looks strong, right, pandas? Like, this doesn't look like it's going to stop at 10 points. Look at the strong bull bar. 10,000 tick chart. Strong bull bar, always in long. 5-minute chart. Strong bull bar with follow through. Pandas. And we got the 20 EMA still protecting us. Make sure you guys scalp that like button, pandas. We're getting up. Let's get to 300 likes today as well. Man, we're gonna have 2 things to celebrate. I mean, we're already gonna celebrate the fact that we can withdraw now, right? Because with this stop loss, we can withdraw. Right? With this stop loss, we can withdraw. I'm gonna lose out on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's about $250 if this reverses and takes me out. But it's all good, pandas, because I want this target here. I think it looks good. I think we want it, and we're gonna aim for it. And there's a reason why I have 12.5 runner. 12.5 point runner. I will explain that. Oh, you guys are pushing for me. Pandas. I'm not even asking for you guys are pushing for me. Pandas. Pandas. I appreciate it. Aaron Korn, thanks for the peace. Day trading. Like, thank you for. Hey, let's push this, pandas. Give me some peace. Push. Let's get to 12.5. Push. Give me the peace. Peace for push. Push. I mean, I'm feeling great. I'm in a good place here at this point. We're just asking ourselves, how much money can we make? Push. Push. Come on, we just need 2.5 points or 2.25 points left. Push. I think if we break this high, pandas, I think we're clear waters. Pandas, we broke the high. Push. Super Saiyan. Pandas! I think we're clear. I think we're in the clear. I think we're clear. We got nothing stopping us. Absolutely nothing stopping us. 5-minute chart, strong bull bar ending on its high. Absolutely nothing stopping us at this point. We are just in a free ride right now, pandas. Push! Push! Give me 12.5. Give me 12.5. I'm not leaving until I get my 12.5. I am not leaving until I get my 12.5 points, pandas. I will not leave. No! Come on! Don't give me these wicks. I don't want to see any wicks right now. I just want to see bears being squeezed. Squeezed. Come on. Come on. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, it's okay. You can have a little pullback. It's okay. I will allow it. I will allow the small pullback. And we're looking for a trap trade now. We're looking for a trap now, pandas. We're looking for a trap. I'll take free money. I'll take free money if you're going to give it to me. I'll take the free money if you give it to me. I'll take it. Ah. Okay, it's going a little further down than I wanted. But it's okay, pandas. It's okay. Because every P that you put in the chat will raise this market up by 1 tick. Push! I'll take the free money. I'll take the free money. I'll take the free money. Give me the free money. I'll take the free money. I'll take it. I'll take the free money. Trap trade here. I'll take it. I'll take the free money. Give me the free money. If you're gonna give me free money, I'll take it. I'll take it. Free money, I'll take it. Free money. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Free money. I'll take the free money. I'll take it. I'll take the free money. I'll take it. Trap trade. Okay, the money's not so free, pandas. The money's not so free. I take it back. I take it back. The money ain't free anymore. The money isn't free anymore. Oh, the money isn't free. Oh, the money isn't free. I got hit. I thought I got free money. Hey, pandas, we're still okay, pandas. We're still okay. We're A-okay, pandas. I thought I got free money there. The market put his hand out. I grabbed it, and the market said, "Nuh-uh, that's not free money. That ain't free money for you. That ain't free money for you." Second entry long now, pandas. Another second entry long. Ooh, man, it takes me out by the tick. Don't tell me it does that. All right, I'll learn my lesson. I'm just gonna let it play out. I'm gonna stop being greedy. I'm just gonna let it play out, pandas. Stop being greedy. Gonna let it play out. Let it play out. Pandas, come on, push. Give me the 12.5 points. Oh man, this is struggling here. It's struggling at the 10-point mark. Ah, man, I thought I had free money. I really thought I had free money. Darn. All right, we're pushing up. Second entry long, panda. Second entry long. What can I say? I almost want to get him free money again. We got second entry long, pointing right to my target. Man, do I want free money? All right, pandas, one more chance. One more chance for free money, and that's it. I will no longer... I'm scared. It's not free money. I'm too scared. If I'm this scared, it shouldn't be free money. It can't be free money. I'm just too scared, pandas. I'm too scared. Come on. Strumble bar. Push. What are you struggling? Why are you struggling so much? Come on. No, don't trap. Do not trap. Okay, pushing higher. Pandas. This bar is only one point large. So close. So incredibly close, pandas. We're so close. No, it's gonna trap. Don't tell me it's gonna trap. Oh, it's gonna trap. Traps, pandas. It traps. Oh no. What's gonna happen here? I almost want to protect my profits here. I'm putting 2 points. 2 points beneath the 20 MA. 2 points beneath the 20 MA. What is going on, pandas? No.
10,000 tick trap.
No, that's not good. Okay, we got the 20 EMA protecting us. I think we're okay, pandas. I think we're okay. Just calm down. Let's just calm down, pandas. Pandas, let's just calm down. Everyone calm down. I think you guys have jumped the gun. Just calm down. Everybody, just calm down. Everything's going to be okay. You guys are freaking out for no reason. Just calm down right now. Pandas, everyone calm down, please. Gosh. Okay, I think we're good. I think we're A-okay still, pandas. I think we're A-okay. I'm protecting a lot of bamboo here. I think we're still good. It would suck to get stopped out 2 points underneath the 20 MA at this point. It would completely suck if that happened. But if it happens, it happens. I don't mind the 2 points because once we go beneath the 20 EMA by 2 points, I feel like at that point we can truly reverse. But as long as we're not beneath the 20 EMA by 2 points, and I say 2 points because look how small these candles are. You know, it's actually be quite a large move beneath the 20 EMA at that point. So hopefully 20 EMA can protect us here a little bit. Man, I'm glad, pandas. I'm so glad I didn't take the second entry long here. I'm so glad I didn't, because I would have lost money again. It pays to be patient. Pandas. Okay, we got still a decent bar on the 20 EMA here. I think we have a chance to keep going up, but if we keep going down here, I'm just gonna let it go and just say, this is just not for me. We'll move on. Better luck next time. But you could have got. I could have got 10 points already. I really thought we had free money there. Silly trade. I took 2 contracts there, so that was almost 2 points, almost $200 loss. Eeh. Unnecessary loss there. Unnecessary. Oh, I thought it was free money. I mean, if something's free, you gotta take it, right? You gotta take it. Especially if you're Asian. If something's free and you're Asian, you just it is. There's no bounds. There's no bounds how much you can take. Yeah, I'm Asian because I'm a panda. Pandas. All right, we are almost. We just we just need to get above the previous candle's high, and I think we're okay. We are struggling right now to stay above the 20 MA. We already have one, two, three closes beneath the 20 MA. I don't like it, pandas. I don't like this. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. I mean, the 2 points beneath the 20 MA, I gotta get out, because at that point you're thinking, there's something more to it than just that. You're thinking, if it's 2 points beneath the 20, breaking 2 points beneath it, you're thinking maybe it reverses here. It's the first break of the 20 EMA as well in this big uptrend. So you're thinking one more test of the highs. That'd be nice. All right. Maybe this is a sign I shouldn't go for that 12.5 points. Maybe this is a sign I should just go for 10 points. I don't know. We'll see. I want to see this work out, though. I want to protect some profits here. And you can see I'm already above the previous, my Big Mama. So I already made more money than I would if I just took out on Big Mama. But it's a game of balance, because you don't want to be too close. You don't want to protect too much profits, because then you lose the chance of potential profits. You want to still have the potential profits, and we finally broke the previous candle's high. Hopefully this is the break we're looking for, pandas. Hopefully this is the break we're looking for, and hopefully we get a new test of the high here before we really reverse. Hopefully, but I do not know. I do not know. That's what I'm hoping for. Trap trade, 10,000 tick chart, potentially here. Failed second entry short, may reverse this even stronger. Maybe a big push up here. I almost want to take it again, but I'd rather have it set up on a 2,000 tick chart so I get a better, so my risk isn't too large. I want to set up on a 2,000 tick, maybe a higher low. Pandas, higher low, does that sound good? Does higher low sound like free money? Does higher low sound like free money to you guys? Higher low sounds like free money to me. Let's get the higher low, second entry long. Right, it will be A, B, C, higher low, second entry long, free money. I mean, I'll take free money. If you give me free money, I'll take it. I'll take it, pandas. Free money, here it is. Free Money Express. Higher low, second entry long. Ooh, okay. Free money. Sounds like free money. It looks like free money. Let's get it. Okay. Free money today is not very free, pandas. I'm getting destroyed on free money right now. I'm getting absolutely destroyed on these quote-unquote free money setups. It's not looking good. I'm getting stopped out. I'm done. I'm done. I'm losing more money trying to take free money along the way here than making money at this point. It's absolutely ridiculous. It's absolutely ridiculous right now. I'm done. No more free money. Pandas, I've lost so much money trying to take free money trades. It's silly. It's stupid at this point. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop. I gotta stop being a little silly here. That looked like free money to me, but what do I know? It's getting a little choppy here. It's getting confusing.
10,000 tick trap.
10,000 tick trap at this point. Man, that just shot up. Tick shot at me. Put me right in that trade and took me out. Man, pandas. Brutal. It's brutal. What can I say? It's brutal. Oh boy, pandas. Oh boy. I mean, this could just reverse here. This is not as strong as I thought it was. This is not as strong as I thought it was, and I'm still looking for 2-point stop loss. I might as well go back to my original stop loss here, but I've lost. I mean, that's just 2 points. It's $100. I paid $100 here. I paid $200 here, thinking it's free money. But pandas, whenever you think it's free money, it's really not free money. It's not free money. It's just a trick. It's a trap. It's like a carrot under a box, like a rabbit, and then you get that carrot. Someone pulls a string, takes a stick out, and the box closes on you. You get trapped. That's exactly what happened to me right here. Pandas, what's going on? All right, I'm not even gonna partake in this. I've learned my lesson. I know when I don't know how to read the market well, something's wrong, right? I'm bullish right now, but I might be bullish because of the trade I'm in. But the market's telling me, hey, Panda, this is actually very bearish. Stop trying to go long. We're gonna teach you a lesson every single time you're going along. I've skipped this trade now, and I'm gonna let it ride. I'm gonna just let it ride, let it do its thing. Almost want to get out if we touch this, if we reverse here. I almost want to just get out because at that point I feel like it's been clear. It's clearly a reversal here. You almost want to enter this reversal thinking we can come all the way back down. At this point, so many attempts back up, failed here, failed here, failed here. Now we got a reversal trade here, reversal setup. Actually looks pretty good to take a reversal at this point. But Pandas, I'm just sitting on my paws. I'm gonna just let this ride out because I've lost. I'm not reading the market well, right? I thought we had free money here, and when you think you have free money and it isn't, something is wrong. Something is definitely wrong in your analysis. Something is definitely wrong in your analysis. Now we gotta break a trend to new low finally. All right, I'm gonna attempt this one, and if this doesn't work, Pandas, truly, I'm closing the charts down. I'm just closing the charts down. That's it. I'm done. I'm done. All right, I'm gonna just let it ride. I'm gonna let it ride. Okay, strong bull bar. Ending on its high. You can commit a retracement right there. All right, we gotta break it to a new low now. So now we have good chance. I really feel like if we break this low, we're talking like, now we're talking about big time reversal. Nice push up here. Could be a trading range currently. We're gonna hold here. We're gonna hold a little bit. Potential higher low may be a good setup, but this could turn to a trading range right now. But I do think if we break this pivot low, it's game over. It doesn't mean that. I just feel like the uptrend's done. Pandas, I lost so much money on those the quote unquote free money. I lost $300. I could have been $300 higher than I am right now. Pandas, what am I doing? What am I doing with my life? I think I held the proper stop loss here. I think we're good. I mean, it looks decent. If we get the trap trigger on a 10,000 tick chart, that looks decent. When we get a higher low setup, I'm going to take this higher low because it's going to trigger the trap trade on the 10,000 tick. That's why I'm going to take this higher low setup here. I'm going to wait for the candle to finish this time. Not going to jump the gun. Wait for the candle to finish. Okay.
10,000.
It looks very bearish now. But I feel like I got to take this trade because we got the failed second entry short, 10,000 tick chart, higher or low on the 5-minute. I'm going to just take one contract, I guess, if we get it. I mean, it looks choppy as well. It's tricky. It's tricky. I guess I'll sit on my pause here. It doesn't look good at all. It's trading range. Trading range. I thought it looked really good. I'm glad I didn't take that long trade either. I'm glad I didn't take this long. I was thinking about it. But the better setup is a higher low setup. Best setup is a failed second entry short. A, B, C. This is the best setup you can imagine here. We're in this blue box. Ooh, higher low setup. Okay. Okay. I see you. I see you. Still in the blue box. A little scary to take. I need a better setup than this to come out of this blue box. Blue box is kind of strong. Right, we got multiple hits on it already. Trap about a trigger on a 10,000 tick. I'll take a fail second to short pandas. That's my only setup I'll take at this point. Give me a fail second to short. But it's so choppy. It may not be a valid entry. Okay, trap triggers on the 10,000 tick. Higher low triggers on the 5-minute. Whew, fail second entry short. It's free money. I don't want to use that term anymore. I think the market is hearing me say free money, and it says, not today. I will teach you a lesson to ever think the market's giving you free money. But man, this setup looks good. If we get a fail second entry short here, what can I say? I mean, I gotta just take it. Not because it's free money, but because it's a good trade. How about that? A good setup. Give me that fail second short. I'll take it. Fail second entry short. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Give me a fail second entry short here. Come to Papa. Fail second entry short. Come to Papa. All lights are green. All signals are go. Give me that fail second entry short, pandas. Oh, come to Papa. Come to Papa. If I even don't get it, it's okay. If I don't get it, it's okay because I'm already getting on my runner here. But I would love that little extra, because all the free money that I try to take, I took it once here, and both times it took me out. Ouch! 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 I'll still take it. Fail second entry short. I'll take it for a little bit of money. It's for a little bit. Could be a double top here. Very, very high potential could be double top here. But I like all the higher time frames. I like how they all look. Okay. Free money only up to the point of the 12.5 points. Man, it's reversing. Man, double top. Maybe. Yikes, 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 yikes. Could be a double top here. Could reverse here as well. Oh, it's hard to say now. Sketchy. Sus now. Take this non-free money trade. This is now, nothing is free anymore. I'm in this trade. Oh, it doesn't look good at all. Right when I enter it, it starts to reverse. We're basically looking for 2 points, trying to come out here. And if we get hit here, it's all good, pandas. I thought it was a good setup. And you got to take the setups if you think they're good. And I like it still. So, it is what it is. Whatever happens, happens. If I get hit, I get hit. And that runner, basically the runner's going to cover my losses that I took all along the way up here. Hopefully. Hopefully. Okay, it looks decent. Looks really decent. In fact, I'm going to keep running my runner. And if we hit it, I'm going to keep running my runner. Why not? And I'm going to just come up break even at this spot right here. Why not? Why not? If my target gets hit, I'm going to just keep running with my runner. If it gets hit, though, I don't know, though. Struggling. Truly struggling here. It's looking good. I mean, it's looking real good, pandas. It's looking mighty fine. It's looking real good, pandas. It's looking real good right now. Strong bull bar ending on its high. Oh, it looks so good, pandas. It looks juicy. It looks quite juicy. That doesn't look juicy at all. Oh, that does not look good. Oh, pandas. What is happening? Okay, we're back up. It reverses here. I don't like that at all. Maybe it wants a little pullback before it really pushes up here. I would love that. I would absolutely love that, but I don't know if we're going to get it. This might actually hit me. This is the most stressful, risk-free trade I've ever taken in my life. Pandas, what's going on? This is supposed to be fun. Trading is supposed to be fun. We're supposed to be having fun here. This is the opposite of fun. I'm so stressed. Why do you have to reverse on me like that? I mean, it looks better. If it fails, even better for me. I would love if it fails here. Even better for me. Super high probability that we're going to get this this push up if we reverse here. Super high probability. Almost you can say it's... Should I say the forbidden phrase? Should I say the forbidden phrase? Free money. Oh man, I just jinxed myself. I feel like I just jinxed myself by saying it. I think I just jinxed myself. I shouldn't have said it. Pandas, the market heard me. It heard me say it's free money and it's reversing. Pandas, no. Why'd I say it? Why'd I say free money? Don't ever say the phrase free money. The market hears you. It has like microphones. It's listening. It's listening. It's listening. Don't ever say free money. Pandas, there's no such thing as free money. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Pandas, what's happening? Oh man, I don't know. I just don't know. One thing is for sure, there's no such thing as free money. That is for certain. Pandas, free money trade right now. Pandas! Free money, what'd I say? Free money! Let's go, baby! Wait, actually, I didn't get it yet. I didn't get it yet. Oh, it's free money here. I'll take it here. I'll take it. Woo! Let's go, baby. What'd I say? Free money! Once we break that high, I felt like it's free money. That's free money, pandas. I mean, that is free money. If you want to say free money, that's as close as free money as you can get. This is a bad stop. I don't know what I'm doing with this stop. All right. It's all good, pandas. Let's go, baby. Oh, I'm feeling great, pandas. I mean, pandas. Can you manage that any better than I did? I'm just joking. I mean, along the way, I lost $300. Let's just say that. I lost a little less than 300, a little bit less. But with commissions, let's just say, round it up to, I lost essentially $300 along the way. But I made back that 300 with this move up, essentially. So we hit that 12.5 points, pandas. That's what I wanted, and I got it. And that diamond cojones, I told you, the substance of the cojones is too strong. We got that 12.5 points. Exactly what I wanted. All right, we're out of the trade. And we are done. We're done with that. We're going to just let it ride. We're done with that, pandas. We got a nice $1,000 day today. You know what that means, pandas? I mean, you multiply $1,000 across, let's just say 10 accounts. You just made 10K today. At the end of the year, if you can make $1,000 a day, which is very hard, I will say that right now. But if you had 10 accounts with $1,000 a day, you can make $2,500,000. $500,000. $2,500,000, pandas. But hey, pandas, I'm not in any sense saying that I can make $1,000 a day on one account. I am not saying that. So it's not reasonable. I usually use the number 100. And so when you have 100 and you use 10 accounts, then of course you can make, $250,000. But if you somehow can pull off $1,000 a day, then you're making $2.5 million a year with just 10 accounts. $5 million a year if you had 20. Let's go, baby. Easy peasy, easy money. Wowzers, pandas. What a trade. I did some stupid stuff in the middle of it. What can I say? But I think right here, when we saw this trap, when I said, if I get a trap here, I'm taking it. And I didn't want to say the phrase, but then right when I saw this, I said, that's free money. That's for certain is free money. And I just took it. That was free money. This was not free money. That is free money right here. When we broke that high, it's just so certain we're going to hit our price target. And the free money is very little, right? It's not even a point of free money, but I just took it. Pandas. That's why I'm the most profitable trader on YouTube, verified. Let's go, baby. And by the way, if you want to know how many accounts I have, if you want to follow along my journey a little bit more closely, if you want to know what my balances are in each account, you guys can become pandas. Access to the pre-market show, which I go over all my off-stream trades, over all my account balances. And so, man, we are partying right now in that pre-market show. I'm just telling you right now, if you want motivation, if you truly want motivation, see if you can do this. I'm just saying, come to the pre-market show and you'll find some newfound motivation. If a panda can do it, trust me, you can do it. I really don't consider myself to be special in any sense, other than I'm a talking panda. I don't think my intelligence is so far beyond everybody. No, not really. I think at the end, maybe what I have is some grit. It's the ability to take the hits. Yeah, no. If you have the ability to take the hits and learn from them, I think a good thing is, like, don't take it personal when you lose. You can't take it personal when you lose. Like, the market's not out to get you. You can't take it personal. You gotta use judo. You gotta use judo. What do I mean by that? You gotta use the enemy's momentum against them. So when you lose on a trade, you gotta use judo and turn it for good. You gotta say, this is a lesson, and I gotta learn from it. I gotta realize where my weaknesses are, and I gotta fix them. I have to fix them. The first step is to recognize it first. So, but pandas, we are looking good right now. We are up 8K, pandas. We are in withdrawal zone. Let's go, baby. Yeah, I could pull out $3,500 if I wanted to on this account. This is a 300K account. But pandas, what I like to practice is I like to practice skimming off the top. If you guys know what that means, it means that I just pull out just enough so I can continue to withdraw from it the next time. So right now, the minimum account balance you need is 7,500. So what I'm going to do is I'm most likely going to pull out $500. And then after pulling out 500, I'm going to skim off the top. So the next time withdrawal comes, I'll pull out so I can get back to 7,500 and continue to keep my accounts afloat above 7,500. So every time withdrawal period comes, I'll be in a good position to continue to withdraw. I hope that makes sense to you, pandas. Does that make sense to you? I hope it does. But we're looking real good, pandas. And pandas, all thanks to what? Big Mama. Big Mama. You're welcome, pandas. Hey, pandas, if honestly, if you've made money off Big Mama even one time, just think about how that covers like a year's worth of becoming just a panda. I mean, think about it. Think about it. Let's go, baby. Easy peasy, easy money. And now we're still going up, pandas. We're still going up. Wowzers. Just wow. Amazing. Amazing. I'll take my 1,000 bamboo though. I'll take my 1,000. I'll take my 1K. I'll take it. I mean, pandas. Think about last week how difficult it was, and think about this week. We already had two plus $1,000 days on stream. That's on stream, pandas. I mean, you think you had a tough time last week? You gotta just stick to the plan. And when your week comes, like it's coming right now, we already had two plus $1,000 days on stream. And what am I trading, Panda? I'm trading one contract at a time, maybe two contracts. That's it. Pandas. We are in withdrawal zone. Got our bamboo. Let's get the bamboo. And pandas, all your P's, trust me, they helped. Your P's helped strengthen me to stay in that trade. We got it. We got that 12.5 points. Sorry, I'm just so focused on the charts. I'm just all right. I go over why I did 12.5 points. Toroto says, now that you got the payout on this one, I want to redo the challenge, start a 50K eval and see if you can pass it. Why would I do that? Why would I ever do that, man? Matthew does say maybe the proper way is to celebrate with a little whiskey. You got a point. You got a point. Hey, pandas. Hey, you know what? I'll do it. I mean, this is a milestone right here. I mean, think about from the beginning. Just think about. Just follow me along this journey. We did a 300K evaluation. That was about like 5 months ago. What can I say? It's about 5 months ago. And from there, we passed the 300K eval with every single trade on stream. And after passing the eval, it became a PA count. That PA count went all the way down to about negative $5,000. Pretty much negative $6,000. Pandas, can you believe that at one moment this account was negative $6,000? And then from there, we rose out of the grave, and now we're up $8,000, pandas. 14K swing. Whoo! This is why you're watching the most profitable trader on YouTube verified. Let's go, baby. Why 12.5? The reason why I use 12.5 points is because if I use 4 contracts on one Big Mama, if you lose $1,000. So if you lose $1,000, that means that I want to be in a place where I can basically make that money back up if the Big Mama is successful with a good runner. So when you trade with 4 contracts, if you're successful with the Big Mama, with 3 of the contracts to get the scalp, that's 375. And 375, you got to subtract that by 1,000. So $625 left in order to make up the rest of the money you would have lost if you had lost that trade with the runner. 625 divided by 50 is 12.5, right? 50 is how much money is in 1 point. So your total is 12.5. And with this one Big Mama, I'm able to basically make, right, $1,000. I was able to make $1,000 with the Big Mama with the runner, right? You're able to make $1,000. So if you do lose one, that cancels themselves. They cancel each other out. Hope that makes sense. Hello A says, that's brilliant. What happened when you went down 6K? Like what happened? Like how did I get down to 6K, or what happened after I got 6K, and how did I get back up? Like what's the difference? Yeah, I'll put a request in either today or tomorrow. Actually, tomorrow I won't be streaming, so sad news. I know tomorrow I'm busy in the morning, and so I won't be streaming. Maybe I'll stream in the afternoon, maybe. But for the most part, I probably will be, I'll probably just take tomorrow off, and I'll be back on Friday. We don't have an account to trade now. Laura says Panda's getting paid. Party at his house. Hey, Pandas. Hey, the party's here. The party's here. Hey, tell your friends. Tell your friends. Everything we do here is so legit. It's just too legit. Goodness gracious. I mean, I wish you guys joined the pre-market show. If you guys think this is a lot, you guys have no idea how much money I'm actually making. You guys have no clue how much money I'm actually making right now. It's absolutely insane. Eric says, we don't have an account to trade while you wait for the payment. Well, if I put the request in today, probably by tomorrow, it would probably be approved. Apex has been better at that. I think it's been about like a 12-hour turnaround kind of time. If you request it at night, then sometimes, like if I request it this evening, I'll request it right now. Probably by tonight, the money will already be taken out, and you can trade on it. You can trade on it. Probably.
5-minute trap.
Trap on the 5-minute, but it looks like a trading range right now. It's still a bull trend. What can I say? Daily chart just looks wild right now. Absolutely wild. Nothing is stopping. I mean, you're thinking new all-time highs, yeah? Jeez, you would never have guessed, but maybe new all-time highs. It's sick. It's absolutely sick. There has never been a time where on the weekly chart on the S&P 500 where a divergence, I think an RSI divergence has not worked out. Let me see.
5-minute trap.
On the weekly chart. Yeah. You have the weekly chart here. I usually don't do this, but here. You have the RSI. And there really has never been a time on the weekly chart where you get a divergence on the RSI. It doesn't work out. And this also comes off the 240 SMA. It's not that many days. Let me see. Yeah, this is like the max amount of days I can go back. Oh, well, hey, that's it right there. That's the proof. That's all the proof you need. But basically, you get a nice, beautiful divergence on the weekly chart and on the RSI. And really, I don't think that's ever failed on the weekly chart for the S&P 500. Anyways, doesn't matter. Man, we're coming back up, Pandas. I mean, I don't know what to do. I mean, you're thinking always in long maybe on the 5-minute. Again, 3 always in long days in a row on the 5-minute chart. That's insane. Absolutely insane. What are the chances of that? Royce Hirschberger asks, how do you get a pre-market show? You already are a panda. You know what, Pandas? It absolutely touches my heart, my little panda heart, when there is a member who is supporting this channel and then ask, how do I get to the pre-market show? and they've been a member for a couple weeks. Nothing touches my heart more than that. Because that means that they legitimately were supporting this channel without even without even going to the pre-market show. That just touches my heart. This is for the members. This is the pre-market show today. If you really want to know how to get the pre-market show all the time, you can just go to the channel itself, and there's a members tab. And that members tab allows you to have members only content. It's like an OnlyFans. OnlyFans for Panda. I mean, we're just hanging out now, pandas. We're just chilling. We're just chilling, pandas. Whew, I'm not gonna lie, I was pretty nervous. I was pretty nervous along the way up here. Man, but that free money, free money here failed. Free money. I started, I started making like a forbidden phrase for myself. Like, ooh, free money. I don't know. I don't know if I should say that anymore. Oh man. Oh man. Hey, but the last one. Hey, the last one. It's all about the last one, yeah. At the end, if you really think about it, I made a little bit more. I made a little bit more than $1,000. I made $1,062 with all of this, along with this trade at the end. I made $62 more than I normally would have made. I mean, I'll take it. I'll take it. Whew. All right, pandas. Time to put the poll up. How you guys doing? I can proudly say today, I made more than $500. I can proudly say today. By the way, I'll pull out some whiskey and I'll take a drink with you guys since we reached withdrawal. I'll celebrate. I'll be right back. All right, Pandas, thanks for waiting. Sorry for that. Today's bourbon is called John Bowman. Single barrel.
10,000 tick trap.
Yeah. All right, this is for you guys. Hey, Pandas, thanks for following me on this journey. We've been riding this 300K journey, this 300K account since the beginning. And you guys have been following me, so I do appreciate it. I love the support. So here,
5-minute
Pandas,
trap.
this is a milestone for this account. We got to our first withdrawal. That means we get to celebrate. I know you can't see. I know you cannot see me. But here's the ASMR for you guys. Let me know in the comments how you guys take your whiskey. If you guys drink whiskey, how do you guys take it? Pandas. Pandas. Cheers. This is for this is for just the beginning of the journey. This is the first step for many more withdrawals. Yeah. Appreciate it. When you drink whiskey, here's some tips. Here's some whiskey drinking tips. First, you need to buy the proper equipment. Now, a lot of people like whiskey cups, and oftentimes the whiskey cups have very, very thick bottoms to prevent the exchange of temperature, right? Try to keep the temperature as same as possible. But I think the proper way to really enjoy a whiskey is you need to get a snifter glass. You need to get a glass that it looks like it's hard. It looks like a bulb kind of, and it concentrates all the fumes to the top. So when you pour it in, what your first thing you do is you literally stick your nose inside the cup and just get a good whiff of what you're about to partake. This amazing pleasure of drinking this whiskey. First, you enjoy it with your nose. And then the first sip should always just be just a little dab on the tongue so it opens up your sinuses. And once your sinuses are open and ready to take, you can really enjoy the whiskey on the second sip. So let that sit on your tongue a little bit and go in.
10,000 tick trap.
Beautiful. I mean, the craftsmanship of making bourbon or any whiskey is incredible. You can put maybe a pipette, 2 or 3 drops in a cup. That's your preference. It often makes it a little more sweeter. Obviously it's going to dilute it slightly, but really what it does is kind of just opens it up. But I think that's the proper way to enjoy. Tate says straight on the rocks. I like it on the rocks too. It just depends. It depends on the mood. The Sinatra way. Jack Daniels, 4 ice cubes, rest of the glass filled with spring water in a whiskey glass. Wow. That sounds horrible. I'm sorry. That sounds like really watered down whiskey, but hey, what do I know? I never tried it. Don't knock it till you try it, yeah? Maybe Frank Sinatra needs to save his voice, so he drinks it really watered down. Hugh says, my palate isn't sophisticated enough for whiskey. I tried a friend's 20-year-old special high dollar whiskey. It tasted just like any other whiskey to me. Oh no, it's because you didn't drink it properly. He didn't teach you how to drink it properly. You probably gulped it down and is wondering, why does it burn so much? What a way to start the day. Nice 1,000-point trade. $1,000 trade. Sipping some whiskey with the best comedian on YouTube verified. Now we're just hanging out. Load 555 asks, do you have a setup? Yes, if you go, it's called Ninja Trader. Just look up Ninja Trader settings, you'll be able to find all the information there. All right, we're getting a reversal here. Maybe testing the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart about to be approached here. And you got a trap here that fails, and we're having a hard time, right? We're getting multiple hits on the top here. 1, 2, 3 attempts, fails. Basically creates a wedge. And now we're pushing down here. I wouldn't be surprised if we get a slight reversal here, but as long as we're above the 20 EMA in the higher time frames, I don't think, strong reversal until we can break the higher time frames, 20 EMA. Q says, yeah, pretty much just drink it, burn like any other whiskey to me. You need to make a video on how to drink the whiskey for us. Maybe. I mean, there's a lot of videos out there already. Appreciate it. Marcus Vaughn says, congrats on getting to a withdrawal, Panda. I do appreciate that. Can I tell you guys about my second passion at the moment? My second passion project. Trading is always number one. But my second passion right now, I don't know why I'm getting so like obsessed with this. But I'm getting obsessed with craps. Is that just me? Is that just me? Like, for some reason, craps is just calling my name. I just hear whispers from the craps table saying, "Bye bye money, come to me, come to me." That's all I hear. I even bought like a craps practice table to practice controlling dice. I think the fact that there are people who can control dice made me really like piqued my interest. Because there are people who can legitimately control the dice, maybe not perfectly, but enough, right? Enough where you can actually get an advantage at the casino. So I bought a bunch of dice, and I'm like practicing controlling them, practicing like 2-3 hours a day, just literally do the same motion again and again and again until I can roll like the numbers that I want to roll. Is that just me? I don't know. There's something about it. And there's something about the way you bet with craps it really draws me because it feels like trading futures. Either you lose it all or you gain a little bit. It's like scalping futures. It feels like you're scalping. If you guys don't know how the game of craps works, once the button is on, once a point is established, you basically can make money on any roll other than a 7. But if a 7 is rolled, you lose all your money on the table. So it's kind of like high risk, little reward, but high probability. It feels like scalping to me. Day trading says it's the fastest way to lose money. I mean, if there are like people who can legitimately control dice out there, then it's like, okay, I'm game, I'm in. If you can control dice, then it's like you have an advantage over the casino actually. But at the end, you're the only one who is in control of your dice throw. So I've been practicing like 2-3 hours just throwing dice and just trying to get the form down perfect. Is that just me? Frank M says basically bet low until a hot shooter appears. Yeah, you basically want to like, I think there's this thing called like the rule of 5 or something. I forget what it's called, but it's on like Golden Touch Craps. You can look it up there, and goes over like the rule of 5. So basically, you only start betting if someone doesn't roll a 7 after 5 rolls, and then you can say, okay, this person's hot. We'll start rolling, and that way of betting is basically try to get you out break even until it comes to your turn to roll. 20 EMA touched on the 5-minute chart. Second entry long forming on the 5-minute as well. A, B, C. Do I like it? Not really. It looks like a trading range, but I mean, I don't know. Also bottom trading range on the 2000 tick. We're clearly breaking beneath the 20 EMA now. I mean, look at the exit too. What a good exit. I mean, otherwise you have to fight through all of this to get what? Another half a point? What amazing exit. One extra point maybe? Beautiful exit. Mr. Clean says the dice have no memory, just like the ES. I mean, if you think about it, like physically, if you do the exact same thing every single time, you should get the same results. According to physics. I mean, are there any like mechanical engineers out there like that can tell me if I'm wrong, right or wrong? I mean, technically on a craps table, if you do the exact same throw every single time, you should get the same results, right? Has anyone ever had luck in craps? Like, what's the longest roll you've been to? Have you seen? Of you partaking of? I've heard stories like people rolling for like hours without rolling a seven. Like an hour without rolling seven. Oh my, oh my god. John Lee says, Panda, what's the biggest amount you won at a casino? Maybe like $150. I'm not a person who actually likes casinos. I don't like casinos. I like casinos because it's like it's a very fun environment. But I don't like casinos because I don't like gambling. I don't like. You might think that's kind of funny because I trade futures, but I actually do not like going to casinos to try to make money. I know what casinos are for. I know the purpose is just to go to have some fun and lose money, not gain money and lose money. So for me, it's just like an expensive arcade, and that's how I see it as. But the reason why I'm drawn to craps, I would be drawn to blackjack, but there's so many things done in blackjack that prevents like card counting that I just feel like at that point there's no reason to really count cards. But you could become an advantage player through craps, and I feel like there's not enough done in craps yet to prevent advantage players really making money. I like poker too. Poker is also a skill game because you're not playing against a house. 527 Mark says, put your money on the 6 and 8 when playing craps. Very good advice. It's the best odds when it comes to craps. The 6 and 8 have the best odds because the payout is the closest to the true
trap.
odds. Otherwise, all the other payouts are garbage. At least in terms of odds or the house edge. Mike Richardson says, played blackjack 40 years ago. You could count cards back. Yeah, like back then, yeah, but not now. I feel like now there's so many measures taking place. Like they have random card shufflers now, and they have, the amount of cards in the shoe, and it's just like I feel like at this point there's too many measures created to prevent card counting that I just don't think it's worth it. But craps is like a skill game if you think about it. Like if you think about it, craps is the only game that you actually have full control of the outcome. You are throwing dice. You are throwing the dice, not the dealer. You are throwing it. Roulette, they roll the ball. Blackjack, they do the cards. But in craps, you are the one who throws the dice, and as long as you hit the back wall, you're good. Like Suman said, like his first time in Atlantic City, he lost. He did a streak of 17 rolls, made all his money back, and not only that, everyone else made a lot of money. So it's like a team game. That's like another aspect of it. Like you can go with your friends, and it's like fun. Like if you guys are hot, then you guys can play off each other. It's just like, to me, it just has all the elements of what I consider to be fun. You have your friends, your community. You can make some money. It's a team game. Everyone's cheering for you. Marie says, I play dice trading. It's more profitable. Got a trap trade here. Coming off the bottom of a trading range. Coming off the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. You could potentially say you have a break of trend to new low. This trap is not the worst setup you can take. It does miss a 20 EMA here. I actually like this setup a little bit here. It's after an H4 as well. Man, but I like it if it was a little closer to 20 EMA. Trap trade here. Part of me doesn't want to trade because I've already made my bamboo today, but part of me likes to set up. Nah. 1, 2, 3 overlapping bars. I'll skip it. There's a higher chance of actually triggers off this bar, but since now we are overlapping, actually makes it a little more tricky. Unless we come bounce off the 20 MA, I may consider it actually. I would like that actually. If we bounce off the 20 MA. Matthew says, took the second entry long on the MES, got a scalp looking for a good run or two. We're up to 83 likes. Man, we weren't even close to 300. I thought we would get to it. I thought we'd get kind of close, but maybe everyone was so captivated by the Big Mama and the wonders of the Big Mama. Okay, trap triggers. I just want to see this one through. Pandas, remember tomorrow I'm not streaming. I'll be off tomorrow, but Friday I'll be back, and I'll see you guys then. Just know that. Okay, this trap looks like it's failing here. It does reverse here. It's already failed. If it breaks this low, the trap fails completely. Right, because your stop loss is right here. I mean, your risk reward is very good actually on the trap. Setup's not the worst either. I'm just keeping an eye on it. I want to see what happens here. Okay. Interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4 overlapping bars in a row now. Kind of like, honestly, just letting us know this was a trading range here. Huh. I'm still waiting for this to break. Break this, okay. Trap loss. I'm glad I skipped it. And I think this is like letting us know 1, 2, 3, 4 overlapping bars just to stay away from this. And this is getting tricky now. So, Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early on Friday. Okay, remember Friday. Make sure you subscribe. Use BEM80, for 80% off Apex evals. And I'll see you guys bright and early on Friday, 9:15 for the main stream, 9 o'clock for the pre-market show, and I hope to see you guys there. Until then, trade safe, everybody. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.